Fani Willis, DA, Fulton County prosecuting Trump, said, yeah. We may move the trial date sooner. Put it up full mass. Fani Willis, the Georgia prosecutor, elected district attorney leading the charge in Donald Trump's election interference case, is, quote, ready and willing to move up his trial date. She said in a new interview on Tuesday, quote, I always say, stay ready. You ain't got to get ready. Listen, I love a prosecutor who could just talk plain like that. Willis told the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. Willis then acknowledged the fluidity of court proceedings that could turn on a dime, as special counsel Jack Smith proved Monday with a top of the fold filing demanding the Supreme Court consider Trump's presidential immunity claims. Smith hopes to fast track his federal election fraud case to ensure Trump stands trial before the 2024 election, which, if Trump claims victory, could reinstate the immunity he says protected past actions. But the move could prove risky because if the court rules Trump's post-2020 election acts are protected as presidential acts, his case, Willis's case, could be doomed. Now, I disagree with that, but understand their point. It's definitely weakened. I disagree with AJC that it's doomed, but it definitely would be significantly weakened, all right? Willis did not directly address Smith's new tactic in the interview, but his name did come up when asked about the Republican senators who accused her of colluding with the House January 6 investigators and demanded to see her communications with the special counsel's office. It's just politics, Willis reportedly said. They worry the hero is treated the same as everybody else. And now they want to come up with foolishness, end quote. Once again, straight talk. While Willis has suggested a court date of August 5th, 2024, just a few weeks after the Republican Party selects its nominee, Willis says she'll be prepared whenever she must take on in person the former president she accuses of corruptly attempting to overturn the presidential election in her state. Quote, I don't think anyone should ever be surprised if DA Willis enters a courtroom. Willis told the local news outlet, Willis reportedly added that she is a trial lawyer at my soul. There it is. All right. Hell of a thing. Now, Professor, you and I talked about this offline a little bit. You know, the strategy I understand. I definitely understand the strategy. Is it risky? Hell yeah, it's risky. Does it completely doom the case? It doesn't, but yeah, it makes it more difficult to prosecute successfully. Having DA Willis do an interview, because I always look at the code, right? Do an interview to say, yeah, we could move the trial up. I believe that simply means we are going to move the trial up. That's the way I see it. Your thoughts?
I hope that's the case. I hope they move the trial up. I mean, you know, it's the fact that she's doing an interview. I know it's not traditional, but this is not a normal time. So
that's right.
I think really, you know, it's kind of all hands on deck, and I'm glad she's taking it seriously that way. It's really night and day from, you know, some of these Trump judges in Florida who are like, oh, we'll get to this, you know, 25 years from now or something like that. And so in a way, her hand is forced by the slow walk of some of the other cases. So
that's right. It would be poetic justice if the city of Dr. King happened to be the city that successfully prosecuted the tyrant known as Donald Trump.